Good morning, Marty. Hi. Yes, they got their food. Good morning, Gray. Where are you? There you are. Come on, hop up. Come on, honey. There you are. Good morning. Hi. How are you, honey bunny? Hi. Good morning. You got chicken. Chicken today.
Well,
Better late than never this morning.
that's right. Mom, where's my breakfast?
Hi. There you go. Good morning. Good morning. Gotta have the butt rub with the food, you understand? Hi. Morris is doing a lot better. Of course, I never caught him and got him to the vet, but he's letting me near him again. Hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning, Morris. Good morning. How are you? Oh, gonna give me my morning hug. He's such a good boy. He's found that he really likes the... Oh, you scared of Donnie.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine. Be good. It's good. It's all good. He likes the couch was what I was going to say. Last night at midnight I had to kick him out.
Yep, she did.
I had to carry him out, set him down, and then he tried to follow me back in the house. Well, if he would figure out the litter box, I wouldn't have to kick him out.
Oh, God, please.
I kick him out. He's still going to want out because he's, you know, my hunter outside cat, but...
That's right.
Happy Sunday, everybody.
Yep.
Hey, buddy. Good morning, Panther. Good morning. Everybody's hungry. I can't say that I blame them. So, in the 60s today, partly cloudy, not currently windy, so that's all good. Feels refreshing out here this morning. The humidity's not up. It's nice. We long for days at other times of the year for it to feel just like this. Maybe just a smidge damp, but drying out. That looks better, right? Easter instead of snowmen, since we're definitely not getting any snow. Now that I said that, we'll have a dusting in April, but which is not out of the possibility, but unlikely. Anyway, I got that swapped out. I've been doing extra cleaning. We're having this nice piece of meat for dinner tonight. Don's getting ready to start power washing, and I'm going to help him. I've hard-boiled eggs. I'm getting ready to make the deviled eggs, so when he's hungry, I've got something for him. Extra laundry going on. Cats have been brushed and shuffled in and out and in, and it's just, it's catch-up day over here. Get her done and catch-up day. Did you come to help? You've been napping in the bedroom. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah, you've been napping, but Donnie hasn't been at his desk, but you've been in the desk position. You might remember, too, I could start on the second floor, but I'm waiting on dark green parts to come to finish the front of the downstairs. So, unless I do a little project, I'm probably taking the day off on Legos. Don's starting, and he's starting on the garage. I don't know, I was in the house for a minute. I've done extra vacuuming and helped Johnny with his room, and we moved Gray out, and we've got Tux's area currently moved so we can power wash behind it good, and it's just one of those days. I guess you could say we've started spring cleaning. I also blew the driveway. There's several thousand sweet gum balls down on the driveway, so they've been moved now, blown off. I'm sure there'll be several thousand more to fall. We love sweet gum balls. Not. If you don't know what that is, it's these, see these brown patches over here on the ground? Those are sweet gum balls. And there are a lot of them in our yard. It's looking good. Yeah. Definite improvement.
A lot of work, though.
Well, duh.
wanted something that you just push the button and poof.
Poof. Well, that's called the guy that comes out that you pay several $100s to, right? But then Don has to follow them around and make sure they don't get into trouble, so.
Yeah, that's a lot of work. I just really want the button, you push it, poof.
Poof. So a friend recommended we try this 30-second outdoor cleaner, and that's what we're using. And let me show you the back of the house as before. All right, you can see the green. You can sort of tell where the cat hotel was and where it wasn't. Don's actually scrubbed on this wall some here in the last year, but it got dirty, no product. And anyway, it's too bad that the gentleman that used to come regularly the first or second week in November every year has gotten too old to do it. And I guess his brother-in-law didn't call us. I think he took over the business, so this is the longest the house has gone without a cleaning. And you know, when you live in the woods, things turn green. There he is. It's probably one of those things where if you do it a couple times a year, maybe you don't have to scrub. But it's been probably 2 years since it was done, so. Looking good?
Yeah, I'm actually impressed.
Oh wow, you even got the underside of the gutter and everything. Looks really good, Donnie.
Yeah, it did okay. I mean, that stuff, you have to scrub it though.
Right, well maybe if we did it a couple times a year, we wouldn't have to scrub.
A couple times a year?
I'm just saying, it's been a couple years, so it had really gotten a coating.
Right.
I'll let you go a year. My hands were slippery and I had a little accident. Hey buddy, everything good? Good. You got a new towel? No food. I brushed that down really good too. Really happy about Don and I both how everything turned out over here. Don didn't do the boardwalk, and I really don't want him to do the boardwalk. The nice even patina where you walk is fine with me. And the garage, of course, looks really good. Big improvement. Don said tomorrow, he actually didn't use the power washer today. He'll get out the power washer. You can see in the upper right hand corner there, it's not as clean, and part of it was reaching, and part of it was the power washer, and part of it was it just needs it a little more hands, you know, there's a little more scrubbing involved than Don would have liked. He expected it, but this end's good. But he, you know, we were not going to finish it today no matter what. And that's a huge improvement. You can tell, you know, where he was able to scrub a little more with the broom handle and where he wasn't able to reach as good and have to do a little more work. I'm pleased. He's going to wash the doghouse for me. He said he'd probably do it tomorrow. He's going to power wash off the top of the doghouse for me too. I might have him pull this one out also. Although there's a heater in there he'll have to deal with, but... And I got everybody's heating pad is back on. It's the nice thing about Don doing it is he didn't blow the GFCI. He didn't get water in the electrical outlet. Hi, buddy. That's my boy. He was in the house with Johnny and Gray for a while this morning. So he's had him some TLC today. Yeah, love you, buddy. Oh, wow. That looks so yummy. Yay, I can't wait. You power wash the house and I get ice cream?
That's right. Well, you worked harder than I did.
Well, I did other stuff.